haven't hit anything. Oh, Thomas hit one.
Yeah. Nicked it.
Much better. Much better.
Cool.
Paul.
You can see where our skills are wasted at.
Goose eggs.
Yeah.
Oh.
On the tree. Go on the tree. Here comes the other one.
Oh
my! 2 feet low, sir. I said, well, what is that? He goes, well, about a bus length. I said, holy fuck.
Pull.
Oh. You missed the rabbit.
He got the other one.
The other one. Wow.
Nice.
Whoa.
Paul.
Yeah.
Got the first one. Ooh, he got it. He got it.
Paul. Oh. Stopping me too.
Mike in action. Cooking dinner.
Pull.
All right. Okay.
Goose eggs.
Here. Come out. Curl up.
Pull.
Okay. You know
Wah,
the
wah.
Wow. Pull. Sorry, man.
Slow there. Don't slow your gun down.
Kill us with a cartridge.
Let's see your bruise.
You insert the barrel in front of it, you maintain.
Damn.